If you're looking to boost your engine's performance, reduce wear, and extend its life, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best oil additives in 2025, carefully selected based on performance, compatibility, real-world results, and customer feedback. Whether you're running a high-mileage daily driver, a diesel workhorse, or a weekend racer, there's something on this list for every engine. All product links are listed below in the description. Let's get started. Number 1. Best Line Racing Diamond Nano Lubricant Engine Oil. Additive. At number 1, we have Best Line Racing Diamond Nano Lubricant, and for good reason. This powerhouse reduces friction by up to 60% thanks to its cutting-edge diamond nano coating. It doesn't just lubricate, it bonds to metal surfaces, filling microscopic grooves and polishing engine components to a near mirror finish. Whether you're driving a gas-powered coupe, a diesel truck, or a motorcycle, this additive is compatible with virtually every type of engine. It withstands extreme temperatures up to 1800 degrees, far beyond most conventional additives. Use it with every oil change and you'll notice reduced engine noise, smoother operation, and potentially fewer oil changes. It's made in the USA and delivers serious performance, especially in high-mileage engines. Number 2. RevXction Fix Oil Treatment. Next up is RevXction Fix, the go-to solution for HUI injector issues and cold start problems, especially in diesel engines like Ford's Power Stroke. This additive creates a friction-reducing layer that penetrates hard-to-reach spots, breaking down sludge, varnish, and stiction, all without using harsh chemicals. Each box treats up to 12 quarts of oil and is known to quiet noisy injectors, improve cold starts, and extend oil and engine life. If you're dealing with sluggish starts, poor idle, or injector misfires, this is a must-have. Number 3. Lucas Oil 1002. Heavy-duty oil stabilizer. You've probably seen it on shelves everywhere, Lucas Oil Stabilizer. And it's not hype. It's one of the most trusted oil additives worldwide. Made with 100% petroleum, it's safe for new engines and ideal for reducing wear, boosting oil pressure, and even stopping minor leaks and smoking. This versatile formula works in cars, trucks, motorcycles, and even farm equipment. Mechanics swear by it, racers use it, and millions of drivers rely on it daily. If you're looking for a proven, affordable additive that enhances oil performance, Lucas has your back. Number 4. X8O Engine Oil Additive. Coming in at number 4 is X8O Engine Oil Additive, designed to do more than just protect, it restores. Using a 3-component formula with revitalizant, it rebuilds worn metal surfaces, increases compression, and cuts fuel consumption. It's great for stopping oil burning, restoring lost power, and improving emissions, all while offering protection for up to 60,000 miles. Best of all, it's simple to use, just 1 bottle for 5 quarts of oil. If you're looking to bring your engine back to life, X8O is a game changer. Number 5. ARCOIL AR9100 Oil Additive. Rounding out our list is ARCOIL AR9100, a favorite among diesel truck owners, especially those with the 6.0L and 7.3L Power Stroke engines. It targets stiction, reduces wear, quiets the engine, and even fixes cold start injector issues. But it's not just for trucks. This additive works in gasoline engines, gearboxes, power steering systems, and even hydraulics. If your vehicle runs hard in cold climates, or if you're dealing with noisy, high friction performance, AR9100 is a solid solution. That's our list of the top 5 oil additives for 2025. Whether you want better performance, smoother startups, or longer engine life, there's an option here for you. All the products are linked in the description below. Let us know in the comments which one you've used or which one you're trying next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car care and performance content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.